Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing WoodSpring Suites Columbus, Nebraska I-270 Airport. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Just 12 miles away from Ohio State University, this WoodSpring Suites is located in Columbus and offers 24/7 guest laundry facilities and vending machines. Free Wi-Fi access is available. Every room at WoodSpring Suites Columbus Easton provides a flat-screen TV with satellite channels and a fully equipped kitchen with a stove, microwave and refrigerator. A desk is also included. The property is a 10-minute drive away from Port Columbus International Airport, 9 miles away from Anheuser-Busch Company and 10 miles from Ohio Historical Center. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.